So today we're going to continue going over these mixed units. So our goal is to try to convert this mixed unit into a single unit. So we're trying to convert these 12 and 3/4 ounces into pounds. So the first thing I want to do is get this 3/4 into a decimal. So 3 divided by 4 equals 0.75. So 12.75 ounces. So right now we're right here. We're at ounces and we're trying to convert this into pounds. So when we go back up, you have to divide. So we have to divide this 12.75 ounces by your 16 ounces in order to convert it into pounds. So 12.75 divided by 16 ounces. That equals point 0.80 pounds. The reason for that is because we had to round up to the hundredths place, which is these two numbers after the decimal. So if your third number is 5 or above, we round up. If it's 4 below, we have to round down. So again, it was above 5, so that's why we rounded it up to 0.80 pounds. So now that this is a single unit, we just add these two together and you end up having 7.80 pounds. So this is your final answer. So 7 pounds and 12.75 ounces is your mixed unit. So it's the same thing as 7.80 pounds. So this next one I'm about to do is one with measurements. So right now we got 2 gallons and 13.5 tablespoons. So again, we're trying to convert these tablespoons into gallons. So we're starting from all the way down here and we're trying to get it all the way back up here. So first things first, you gotta convert this fraction into a decimal. So 1 divided by 2, of course, is 0.5, or it's half. So that's 0.5 tablespoons. So since we're starting down here, again, we have to divide when we're going back up. So we have to divide the 13.5 tablespoons by 16 tablespoons in order to convert it to its next unit up, which is cups. So 13.5 divided by your 16 equals 0.84 cups, because we just converted it to the next unit up. So the reason we got 0.84 was because we had it, the third number was 4 or below, so we just had to leave it like that. If it's 5 or above, that's when we have to round up. So right now we're here at cups and we're still trying to get it to gallons. So we have to divide it by this by 2 cups in order to convert it to the next unit up, which is pints. So 0.84 cups divided by 2 cups. So that equals 0.42 pints. 0.42 pints. So we're right here at pints and we're still trying to get all the way to gallons. So we have to divide it by this 2 pints in order to convert it to quarts. So 0.42 divided by 2 pints equals 0.21 quarts. 0.21 quarts. Again, we're almost there. We just need one more step. We're at quarts and we're trying to get it into gallons. So 0.21, we have to divide it by 4 quarts. So 0.21 divided by 4. So it equals 0.05 gallons. So now that we have it to the same unit we want it to, we just add it together. And your final answer ends up being 2.05 gallons. So the 2.05 gallons is the same thing as your 2 gallons and 13.5 tablespoons. This is just the mixed unit, and the answer we got is now the single unit, the one we wanted.